This is a homeowner review of the Toro leaf blower vac combo. I've had this very unit for over 18 years and it works amazing. So let me tell you about it. I use this every spring and fall to clean up all the leaves and debris from my yard and my landscape areas. Let's talk about the vacuum part of it first. As you can see here, the vacuum works perfect to suck up all the leaves from my deck and mulches them up and dumps them into the bag. And when the bag is full, you simply disconnect it from the machine and you can dump it in leaf bags to be hauled off. You can dump it in the woods like I'm doing here. You can even use it as mulch in your landscape or gardening area. And look how easy it is to go from vacuum to blower. You're just going to take the bag off, remove the vacuum tube, and then pop the blower nozzle on, and then whatever this little thing is on the bottom, plug it in, and you are good to go. Now let's watch that again the other way. You're just going to remove the blower, put on the vac attachments, plug it in, done. It also works perfect to suck up the leaves from your stone patios or walkways and your rock beds. This is actually why I bought the machine 18 years ago, was to get all the leaves out of the rock beds easily. Now the blower part of it works perfect too. You can use it to blow the leaves out of the way or blow them into a pile and then take the vacuum and suck them all up if you want. It has a variable speed motor. You just adjust it by turning the dial and it can go up to 235 miles per hour of airflow. I love this little machine. I highly, highly recommend.